Joe, check this one.
Sarap! Gusto ko ng madens. Calamansi saya. Saya mahal.
Okay, first make the calamansi one, then we will see. Okay, for me, lemon cake.
Lemon cake. Isang lemon cake. Isang large. Calamansi large din.
Small lang. Small lang ako.
Wait lang po small na lang po. Small. Tsaka mango cane. Small din.
Mango po lang tama pa. Puntang ko na.
Maybe it's gonna be like this. Sugar cane will be in the bottom. Then the flavor bud will be on top. There's a coffee shop over there.
What's the plan today?
Huh?
What's the plan
After
today?
this, we are going to Unitop. Buy some other stuff like fish, rice container, alamanos. After that, we will go to New City to buy the PS5.
Today we will do it. Oh my, Joe, check this one.
Amazing. Amazing. Wow, we're like pandas. Panda. Ito? Totally fresh, like another store. Small, dapat large pala yung order natin. Sarap yun. Balik na lang kami.
Lemon.
Okay. Let me try first. Wait. Nice, refreshing.
Of course.
Yeah? Sarap! Grabe naman yun! Ah, talaga? Sarap. Let's buy for tatay. Later? For takeaway?
It's cold.
We can even buy now and keep it in the chiller later. No? Instead of sugar, this is sugar cane. Let's try this. So that's mine, yeah, mango.
No.
They're putting calamansi also. So this is a proper drink. Then it's gonna shake it.
Yeah, pineapple. No.
Naku! Ano? Yeah, isa pa daw. Sorry. Ano?
One more lemon.
No. Watermelon or pineapple is better.
Which one is better daw? Watermelon o pineapple?
Pineapple?
Oh,
Our best seller.
wow, you didn't tell us. Oh, daya mo ah. Later. Pineapple.
One pineapple.
Dito mo na lang ilagay kaya. Sayang ang ano.
There's nothing to drink.
Sarap. Yan, can we take another 200? Ito po.
Calamansi.
Check mo muna ito. What else ito? My God, try this one ma! Calamansi!
Ay, remove the...
Yung alamansi kasi ma'am na ginagamit
Ang
namin.
sarap!
Fresh from sa farm.
This is better than lemon.
No, I like the lemon.
Sa farm ko ng mga ina yung kaya 100% siya sa
Mas okay ito sa mga may tiyak.
wala siyang sugar, wala siyang preservative. Ito may mga
Yan na, akin.
isa pa. Ang butasan na.
Okay. Moment of truth. Ang sarap! Gusto ko lang ma-dance.
It's nice. Yeah.
When buying this one, better to buy the big one. Because it's full of ice. Di mo pinaya? Sa pineapple po.
Bigyan ko yan ng loyalty card.
Wow, thank you! So, binilit kami ng lima. Charot lang.
Ako yung magiging
Later.
content.
Ah, amazing! On the 10th.
Yeah, I know. 3. I read that one already.
Okay, they have a loyalty card. So, on the 5th one, it's 50%. Then it's free. Amazing! Look at the pineapple. Thank you.
Last.
Can I see that? This guy is so dramatic.
Dramatic. Very dramatic.
What do you call dramatic?
Drama. Arte mo.
Arte mo.
Arte mo. Say it.
Arte mo. He's also finished.
Brain freeze. Yeah, maybe it's not good.
No, I don't think that's the one. They should have a different one.
It's okay. They're like, there's fiber. That's why.
Let the lemon and calamansi.
I don't like that.
Maybe when we come back, we will try the watermelon.
Yeah, yeah.